Caught up in the streams of life, I'm beaming light. Whenever I fiend a fight, a system that feels the need to cover the dream that might take us to new heights. That's why I always take spiritual flights to places where I can rock mics. Some say I'm a part of the mainstream, some say I'm underground. Guess I'm in between, plus I'm a part of the same scene that made teens turn to this culture. Plus the same scene that made teens disrespect themselves and drop out. The same stream that drop clout in the wrong hands as evil men cop out. But there's no doubt in my mind but what they'll find at the end of the river if they remain blind. My bloodstream is filled with centuries of Dominican folklore, plus the skills needed to do what it is I go for. More streams reach my river, rock, soul, and jazz. That what I deliver is merely an expression of the streams that affected this adolescent songs of the means to connect with part of the population who hadn't had a chance at the jump in this river or even take a glance at it. Yet I take my chance to change the circumstance for this man's future time to enhance. I can say this with pride, it's been a long ride, time is a ride. Shit, it's high tide.